Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, roof rack, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, universal garage door opener, tinted glass, compass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.